North Central High School is in the middle of a major transformation. As part of the 2016 and 2020 referendums, the community voted to support significant upgrades and enhancements to their flagship high school. Safety and security were major focus areas in the design of the expanded and renovated facility. Starting with the site, bus and car traffic will be separated, and a defined student parking area with a welcoming student entrance will anchor the south side of the high school. A new, modern visitor entrance will anchor the northeast corner of the site. It will have a secure vestibule and welcoming reception area to help control access to the building during the school day. The building will enhance the sense of community within the school. A new gathering stair will anchor the center of the building, creating space for a barista station. This commons area will create a connection between the expanded cafeteria that will provide seating for 1,000 students to the vibrant library and learning commons on the second floor. These spaces will enhance collaboration and student engagement while helping to improve traffic flow throughout the facility. The development of expanded fitness and wellness spaces are also high priorities. The new Paul Logan Fieldhouse will sit prominently on the southwest corner of the facility. A new athletic entry will feature a Panther logo on the exterior, and the interior will include the relocated Panther statues proudly looking down over the new concourse. The Fieldhouse will provide 4 new courts and a 6-lane competition running track that will allow for expanded space for physical education and athletic events. The arts will also have significant upgrades. The auditorium is being completely renovated to modernize the facility and will include an operable orchestra lift, accessible seating, a new tension grid, and new finishes. New music classrooms will also be constructed to accommodate full band, orchestra, and choir groups. Art classrooms will be modernized and opened up to provide new windows to the corridor to allow students, staff, and visitors to see the creative work in progress. Student support spaces will also be enhanced throughout the facility. Distributed student services areas will be located throughout the building to be more accessible to students while helping to monitor student activity in the corridors. A new college readiness suite called Panther Pathways will be available to students for counseling and access to college resources. There will also be an expanded learning center adjacent to the library that will create additional space for tutoring and one-on-one instruction. The newly renovated North Central High School will provide new, modern classrooms and educational spaces that will allow this high school to continue to be a vital community resource and a school that Washington Township residents can be proud of for many years to come.